Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to go for Betterment in MHT CET. The Betterment option is a crucial part of the Centralized Admission Process, or CAP, allowing you to seek an upgrade in your college or course. It's designed for students who are not fully satisfied with their initial seat allotment, but still want to secure a spot. Remember, you must first accept the seat you've been offered to be eligible for Betterment. This ensures your current admission is held while you explore better options. To be eligible for Betterment, you need to have been allotted and accepted a seat in a prior CAP round. When confirming your admission, you'll explicitly choose the Betterment or Not Freeze option. This signals your intent to participate in later rounds while retaining your current seat. You'll then fill out a new option form for the subsequent CAP rounds, listing your preferred colleges and courses in order of priority. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money and investing. You can find the link to the book and other useful deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's vital to understand that if you are allotted a new seat in a subsequent round, your previously accepted seat will automatically be canceled. Therefore, careful research into colleges and courses, including their cutoffs from previous years, is essential. Always prioritize options you genuinely prefer. Also, be aware that there's no guarantee of securing a better seat, and you might end up retaining your original allotment. To maximize your chances, thoroughly analyze the cutoff trends from previous years for your desired colleges and courses. This helps you make realistic and informed choices. When filling your option form, arrange your preferences meticulously, placing your most desired options at the top. Finally, consistently check the official MHT CET website for important announcements, revised schedules, and any new rules to ensure you don't miss crucial deadlines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.